If you truly care about your skin, hair, and body, this video is for you. I'm Hannah and I've been struggling with hair fall for quite some time, and I've tried many things but nothing has worked until I discovered Foliprime. Today I'll talk to you about this new product called Foliprime and clear all of your doubts. I'll tell you everything you need to know about this new product, but before I start, I need to make a very important alert. There is only one official website selling Foliprime now. Please be careful with the scams platforms out there because I've seen people buying it through the non-official website, not receiving the product or their money back. So to help you, I'll leave the link to the only official website below the description of my video. I know there are lots of information out there, but this is my experience and my review about Foliprime. But what is Foliprime and how does it help? Foliprime is a hair growth oil formulated with natural ingredients that claim to support not just hair growth, but your overall hair and scalp health. The formula for this powerful oil was created by a pharmacy technician passionate about using natural, plant-based methods to create holistic health products. The formula consists of several active ingredients rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This, in turn, protects the scalp and rejuvenates the follicles to promote healthy growth. As Foliprime is an over-the-counter product, it does not need a prescription for purchase, and as it is natural, it does not contain anything dangerous, so there are no side effects. Regarding its ingredients, we can list castor oil, turmeric, biotin, argan oil, hyaluronic acid, and much more that you can check on the official website to see them all in detail. It is also important to mention that the formula of Foliprime is manufactured in a state-of-the-art, FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility in the US. There are many benefits when using Foliprime. The serum provides vitamins and minerals directly to your hair scalp to prevent hair shedding. It can help to treat common issues like dandruff. It strengthens the hair shaft and prevents thinning. The formula can work to reverse hair loss. It can add hair growth in older adults. The nutrient-dense formula can help overcome some nutrient deficiencies. The formula promotes thick and healthy hair. It helps to prevent hair breakage and split ends. I need to say I was a little bit skeptical, but I decided to risk, and I didn't regret it so far. I'm using Foliprime for about a month and a half now, and I could notice some difference since the first weeks. My hair is stronger and healthier. I apply Foliprime once a day directly on my scalp, usually in the mornings, and I know that in order to have better results, I need to continue using it to have a complete treatment. So I decided to buy the 180-day pack, and I advise you to do the same because you'll have a very, very huge discount of $120 on your order, and you also have free shipping in the US, so hurry up to get yours. I'm pretty sure you won't regret of your purchase, but if for any reason you do so, you can always claim for your money back until 60 days with 100% guarantee, no questions asked. You can also check the refund process on the official website. So, this was my review about Foliprime. I hope it can help you as much as it is helping me. And if you have further questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.